think it's a general 8 screwdriver wheelchair lift. Anyways, I'm gonna call it down. Alright, let's get a cab view of it. And there's your door to the 2nd floor. What, I wanna get in?
Yeah, good.
Alright, this is gonna be a tight squeeze.
750 pounds.
Okay. Alright. Okay, well first, before we go up, let's take a look at that. Alright, and there's Connor and Joseph. Anyways, and like I said, here's your door to 2nd floor. Alright, let's give this thing a ride. Here are your controls and your stop switch. Here we go. What the heck?
It's not closed. Try now.
Oh.
There we go.
Here we go. This is so cool. Anyways, we're gonna watch it level when we get there. Anyways, watch it level. Here we are. Anyways, before we get out, let's get a view over here. Look at that. See, there's where we enter down there. Pretty short distance. And over there's your pool area. I don't want to film anyone, but there we go. Oh, we'll go down. I just want to get a view of it open. And that's your call station, I guess. Okay, let's get back inside. Let's enter. Okay, here we go. It's pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah, it's interesting.
Let's watch it.
I think this unlocks.
Don't play with it. We don't.
Okay.
Yeah,
I think
I
it's like
would.
the version of rollers for wheelchair lifts.
There we go. Got to kind of push it hard.
Yeah, it's a bit sticky here.
Anyways, there it goes. So it's just. Whoa. And anyways, that's it. Anyways, it's gonna be it. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Anyways, this is Floridian Elevators, and anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And anyways, that's it. Stay tuned for more videos. Floridian Elevators is signing off.